Your team's blowing past budgets, receipts are MIA, and you're sick of playing expense report detective. Ramp claims it can fix all of that, and even give you 1.5% cash back on every purchase. That's why it's one of the fastest growing software platforms on the market. Today, I'll cover what it does well, its limitations, and break down whether it's a good fit for your business or if other options are worth checking out. Ramp calls itself a spend management and finance automation platform, but it originally started out as just a corporate charge card to modernize how companies control employee spending. From there, Ramp expanded into software. Today, it covers bill pay, vendor management, subscription tracking, accounts payables, reimbursements, and even some lightweight procurement tools. And for a lot of businesses, that's the biggest appeal: overseeing your entire company spend in an extremely easy-to-use platform. If you're researching spend management or accounts payables tools like Ramp, Bill.com, or Tipalti, head over to softwareconnect.com or check the link in the description below. We've been helping businesses find the right software for years. Traditionally, corporate cards offer almost no spend control, forcing finance teams to manage spend retroactively in spreadsheets after it occurs. While Ramp doesn't require you to adopt their card, most businesses start here, as it's essentially a free charge card with 1.5% cash back and no interest. You simply need to pay the balance at the end of each month. In Ramp, every card, whether it's physical or virtual, can be configured with custom spend limits, merchant restrictions, or other rules to match your internal policies. You can create project-based departments, one-time purchases, or even vendor-specific cards that only work with the supplier they've assigned it to. That way, your field guides can't use the Home Depot card to pay for the lunch at Taco Bell. It's aimed at reducing the number of approvals you'll have to chase down later. If the charge doesn't match the rules you set, it simply doesn't go through. And this leads us to one of Ramp's most notable advantages. It eliminates the annoying expense reports that everyone hates doing every month. Besides their super clean UI, this is one of the main reasons I see clients asking to check out Ramp. When an employee uses a Ramp card for a purchase, the platform immediately requests that you submit a receipt. They can text it in, email it, or snap a picture on the app. You don't have to actually keep the physical copy. Ramp then pulls the receipt details and codes it based on your policy rules. If something looks off or is missing, it's flagged for review. And if you want more control, you can always set approvals for whatever metrics you'd like. Overall, this means significantly less back and forth between employees and a lot less cleanup at the end of each month. And that brings us to the other side of the company spending: the invoices and payments that don't run through a card. Ramp handles that through its bill pay module. You can use bill pay with or without Ramp's corporate cards, and the workflow is similar to other AP automation tools that we've covered in this channel here. But honestly, from my experience using Ramp for the vendor side, the way it handles onboarding and invoicing feels a lot smoother than other systems we've used. It gives you a step-by-step workflow that's tailored to the exact task you're working on, no confusing steps or dashboards like Coupa. And when a bill is submitted, Ramp scans the invoice, extracts the key details automatically, and verifies that everything is correct. Those details then move through whatever approval steps you've set up. That might be a single manager or a full chain of approvers, dependent upon how your process is structured. Once approved, you use Ramp to pay the invoice. You can even schedule payments in advance or set up recurring bills. And if you use an accounting system like NetSuite or QuickBooks, Ramp can match incoming invoices against the purchase orders already in your system. It's not a full procurement platform, but it's a huge step up from manually cross-checking everything. Ramp also supports vendor, travel, and subscription management. Every vendor you pay through your system gets a dedicated profile. You can view past transactions, total spend, and which department owns the relationship. It's similar to services like Credit Karma or Rocket Money. It flags duplicate or inactive subscriptions so you're not paying for tools no one uses anymore. And for software specifically, Ramp allows you to issue vendor cards that only work for a single service. If a renewal comes through, you can shut off the card and the charges simply won't process. You also get discounts and price matching for common subscriptions like Adobe, Sage, QuickBooks, and Salesforce. For travel expenses, it uses the same budget and policy controls as corporate cards. One feature I thought was pretty cool is that if you book a hotel and the price drops, Ramp can automatically cancel it and rebook at the lower rate. So while Ramp covers a lot, it's still a relatively new system. Dependent upon your business, there are a few limitations worth calling out. First, you need to meet certain requirements before you can even use it. Ramp only works with registered US-based corporations, LLCs, or partnerships. Sole proprietors and unregistered businesses aren't eligible. You also need to maintain at least $25,000 in a US business bank account and have most of your spending based in the United States. So smaller or international companies may not qualify for the corporate cards at all. Second, even for businesses that do qualify, Ramp is strongest when your international needs are fairly simple. It handles most foreign payments, and its corporate cards can be used abroad, but its bill pay features are built for occasional global spend, not complex multi-entity operations. Supported currencies are limited, international wires come with fees and conversion markups, and there's no support for international checks. Tools like Tipalti or Airwallex are much better at managing this out of the box. Third, it's important to call out its depth in procurement. While it handles intake to payment, it doesn't manage the entire purchasing process. If you're an inventory-heavy business or have complex supplier relationships, you may find that it lacks key features like supplier risk management or basic inventory control. If those requirements are for you, consider looking at Procure or Tipalti, which go much deeper in those areas. So with all that in mind, who is Ramp best for? It's a strong fit for US-based companies that want to control spending more effectively and replace manual processes with automated workflows. It works especially well for fast-growing startups and small companies and mid-market enterprises that need a simple way to issue cards, manage budgets, and keep spending standardized. It's also a great option for businesses with remote teams and for companies with significant software expenses looking to reduce costs. If you're unsure whether Ramp has everything you need, or maybe more than you need, you're in the right place. We've helped hundreds of thousands of businesses find the software that actually fits. After a quick evaluation of your business's requirements, budget, and future goals, we can provide you with demos and narrow down the options to the right system for you. To check out Ramp or to get started with free software recommendations, head over to softwareconnect.com or check out the link in the description below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more software breakdowns. Also, leave a comment on what you'd like most about Ramp. Is there anything you wish we'd covered, like their new Sheets platform? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.